Thank you for watching my videos all year long. I really appreciate you all, and I look forward to seeing your comments and answering your questions and all that sort of thing in 2023. Hi, it's Lee here. Welcome to my channel. It's the last week of Daphne's Diary for 2022. Hashtag this week is 2022 CWP 52. Last week of the year. Okay, the prompts are a definition. So I've got a definition on this, which was a corner pocket that I've cut up. It is the definition of the word companion. One who is frequently in the company of, associates with, or a mate or match. Can't read the rest of it. Okay, but anyway, definition of the word companion. And a postage stamp. So the dog that's on here is actually a 50-cent Australian postage stamp. Something you were thankful for, so I am thankful for something that's written in there, but you're not going to see what it is. A pair of something. I've got a pair of socks. A piece of colouring book page, so that was out of Daphne's Diary. Not strictly colouring in book, but I don't have colouring in books, and you could definitely colour that in. The bonus is a photograph, and I found an old photograph of somebody's child. I don't know who it is or who the child belongs to. It was in amongst a box of old photographs. I thought I'd add her in, so I'm just going to put something on this. And that book page will do. It's got a few things on it. It's got embossing powder on it by the feel of it, and it's had a bit of ink on it at some stage, so I'll stick it down and I'll throw a bit more ink on it. So I hope you're all well and happy, looking forward to the holidays, having some time off work if you're still working, and making all those New Year's resolutions that I don't know if anybody else is like it, but I've never stuck to one, except the only one that I ever stuck to was to never watch a particular show, this Australian show that I hated so much, but I couldn't help myself and watch it. And that my New Year's resolution was to never watch the show again. And I actually did stick to it. So that's probably 15 years ago, maybe. More than that, perhaps. I think I'll just stencil something on there. Got these things. I was just playing around with a new set of dies. Just punching flowers out of bits of tea-dyed paper. So they would look quite nice, but I don't think they need to go on there right at this moment. And that one's been punched out of the packaging of a Tim Holtz something or other. This is the die that was cut out of. I'm going to try something. I'm going to put some embossing ink on here. Distress oxide, I should say. I'm getting my products all mixed up. I'm going to spray a little bit of water onto it, really fine mist, and then I'm going to see if it'll stamp. Probably not enough ink on it. Oh yeah, that looks awesome. I don't know if you can see it or not. It looks really good. I'll do another one. Wow. Who did that? Got a really light mist. And I'm going to put it up here. That turns out really well. I was very surprised by that. It works better as a stamp than it does as a die. Some of the pieces just won't come out. I'm not going to worry about anything else as far as stamping goes on that. I'm just going to put my pieces down. I'm not going to ink them today. I'm just going to put them on. Not thinking about it. Just whack them down. And then I can put my book away until I'm ready to film a flip through. So I've got my colouring in page there, got my socks, got my little pocket, bit of pocket with the definition and the stamp on it, and I've got this child, whoever she is, the mystery child. My husband doesn't know who she is either, so he's probably a relative somewhere down the track. It's a pretty old photo. Okay, socks go there. That reminds me of our dog Meg. Like that I think is good. And then these things can go around here. Like so. Can't really see the socks anymore though. Okay, so let's move the little girl a little bit and bring that down just a tad. Put that around her face. Yeah, I like the way that looks, and then my little secret note can go in the back of that. I'm just going to glue all that down.
Call me, tell me I'm alive, pull me, fill me up inside here. In the silence of the space, we all find the conclusion, break our illusions, way beyond seeking ourselves. Floating in my mind, taking what I find, how it is to where it's come and why it's meant to be. Dreaming I could lay in fields of Claude Monet. Sirens call my ear and I hear beautiful creatures sing to believers, way beyond seeking themselves. Tonight, oh tonight, I wonder if tonight is when I will feel it again. Tonight, I wish to live, I wish to stay. In the light, in the dark, on the verge of who we are, we solemnly reach for the stars. Tonight, I wish to love you all the way, all the way. Naked to the bone, opening my soul to how it is, to where it's come, to where it's meant to go. Freedom is within, harmony begins.
Just put some coffee splatters on there. And some gold splatters. Just coloured in the little hubcaps on the wheels. I'm going to use the watercolour brush pen to write the date. So the date that I'm actually doing this is the 15th of December, but it won't be up on until the 25th, so I'll write the 25th on here. Okay, so that's week 52 done. So a definition, it's my definition of the word companion. Postage stamp, which is this here. Something I'm thankful for, which is my little secret note hidden under there. A pair of something is the socks that you can barely see now. A piece of colouring in book, and bonus is a photograph. So I've got the mystery child there, and I've just written Christmas Day date on here, the 25th of December 2022. Bless you all with a heart, and see you soon. Thank you for watching my videos all year long. I really appreciate you all, and I look forward to seeing your comments and answering your questions and all that sort of thing in 2023. So take care, with much love from myself and my husband Pete. All the best for the new year, and for the final time this year. Cheers from Australia. Hooroo.